What's going on? We're back with another full day eating video showing you how to be a lean machine, baby. Even in terrible lighting, you're going to look shredded year round if you get with the program, brother. You don't have to copy it one for one. I'm just giving you inspiration to show you that you can have a wide range of foods in your life and you don't have to eat the same boring stuff every single day. With that being said, for breakfast today, Sunday breakfast at 3 p.m., mind you, typically we eat between 12 and 4 for the first meal, which would be intermittent fasting indeed. Do I think that's the end all be all? Can't really say it is or not. I don't think it really matters that much. I think it's about what you're eating, not about when you're eating. But naturally, that's usually when I get hungry in that time frame, so I do so. Look at this. You will see an overview shot right now. This is a French toast with sourdough bread, blueberries on top, and what do you think that cream is? You think that's a bunch of dairy? Nasty fat? Hell no! That is cashew cream cheese, baby! High protein. Where do you get your protein from? Cashews. That's how we're rocking this morning. Healthy, tasty. Is it the best ever for you? No. Oh my god, you're eating French toast for breakfast. You're promoting an unhealthy lifestyle. Man, all you crybabies in the comments, I swear to God. Nobody of merit comments negative stuff ever. You just ain't got the time for that type of shit. I do not take bodybuilding supplements. I take vitamins from a high quality company, third party tested, Thorne, AM, magnesium. Do I need either of these? I don't. It's an add-on. I'm a high functioning athlete. I like to be optimizing myself. I don't want to just get enough. I want to overdo it, baby. Boom, we got Irish sea moss. That's something everybody's lacking. Straight from the sea, organics nature, alpha brain, a nootropic. Once again, it's an add-on. You don't need any of these. I'm just being transparent, unlike 99% of the people out there who aren't transparent about what they actually eat day to day. We know you pulling into that Chick-fil-A drive-thru every morning for breakfast. Get after it. I'm going to scarf this down because I'm absolutely starving. But we will see you for meal number 2. I'm going to go hit the gym after this. A little bit of chest and triceps workout. Then I'll be back to show you guys what my next meal is. So I'll see you here shortly. What a high-protein vegan athlete looks like right here. Unlike you bitch boys in the comments hating on the vegans. We're back with our dinner post-gym. So we don't do any tofu, fake meat, or processed foods at home. We try not to. When we're out and about, maybe we'll do some of that stuff if it's the only option. But tonight we are having a teriyaki boneless wing scenario thing. But it is homemade, baby. Yeah! All of our fake meats, quote unquote. Why do you call it meat if you're a vegan? Oh, God, I can already tell the bitch boys what they're gonna say. Don't think I can't read your mind. You're not that creative. Anyhow, Missy Chrissy is gonna tell us what is in here as I hold it up. And you will see, first you're going to see an overshot view right now. And then Missy Chrissy is going to let us know what is in our teriyaki wings.
Yes. So the main ingredients are jackfruit and chickpeas.
Oh.
It's pretty straightforward. Some seasonings, a little bit of flake flour to bind it all together. And then it's wrapped in rice paper and then coated in a homemade teriyaki sauce.
You vegans are weird, trying to replicate meat. You know that that's not a sustainable way to eat. All these motherfuckers that have criticisms, I just hope that you're eating perfect. I'm putting it out here online, giving free game, and you motherfuckers got something to say. This shit ain't even for you. This ain't even for you. This is for my people. Yeah, you trying to get like that. The people trying to get like that. Not the people who are going like this. So I'm going to go ahead, scarf down this meal, have about 20 plates. And before I go to bed, I'm going to have my multivitamin PM aminos from the highest quality brand on earth, Thorne. I get all of the amino acids that I need through my food. But guess what? This tastes like Kool-Aid, and it reassures me that I also checked all my boxes for the day. I don't know about all these other vegans. unhealthy vegans, I know that's a thing. Can't speak for them. I only speak for myself. We will see you tomorrow because I'm doing this daily. See you tomorrow.